Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Let It Die, Inferno game not launching, crashing, lagging or other issues on PS5. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches. Just you have to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then choose power button and then select restart PS5. Now once your PS5 restarts, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings and click on network, then click on settings. Then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First, highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Let It Die Inferno game and then click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to delete game save file PS5. First, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings first, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Now choose current language. Then change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next solution is to reinstall Let It Die Inferno game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the game again to check if the error is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. I have already provided the link in the description. Just go through it and whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, explain to it. Hopefully the support team will try to resolve it. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.